Okay, so hello everyone. This is Bhumi Maida. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to making a video of film study, and in which I take the two movies, ये जवानी है दीवानी and गहराइयाँ. So first of all, we discuss the what is frame study. As we all know, that frame study is the analytic examination of the composition, mise-en-scenes, camera movement, camera angles, lighting, color, clothes, even costumes, and arrangement within a single frame or shot of a film. And this kind of studies focuses on how various visual elements within the frame contribute to meaning, emotion, narratives, and aesthetics. It aims to uncover how visual elements convey meaning, construct character, reinforces themes, and shape audience perception. So today I'm going to discuss about these two movies, Ye Jawani Diwani and Geh Raya. So I chosen the topic of cinematography. So first of all, we discuss the camera movement. Which kind of camera movement is using in the film? So first is tracking shot. So first of all we discuss the what is tracking shot. The camera moves smoothly along with the character. So here if we find the camera is moving smoothly with the character, right? Uh, uh, this scene from the Yajavani Divani, and this bunny was running uh, on the track. So this is a tracking shot, and what this kind of scene or what is the purpose in the film, like makes us feel like we are moving with the character, right? This is the this kind of short, we also feel like we we are moving with the camera shot. And other side, I take the long take. So a long unbroken shot with no cuts, the camera keeps rolling without stopping, it's called to long take. And what is the purpose? So here you can find that
तमाशा तमाशा करने की क्या जरूरत है यार?
Because you're fucking using me. तुमने कहा तुम पूना जा रहे हो, तुम अलीबाग में क्या कर रहे थे?
कैद अलीबाग काम था इसलिए
मैंने
तुम
कहा तुम
सीधा
पैसे वापस कर रहे हो।
हाँ तो कर दो और
continuously
पैसे
without the
दो
cutting
यार उससे
scene.
और पैसे
And the purpose in the film, like make the scene, the
मना कर
film
दिया यार उससे
more real and emotional, keeps connected towards
अली
the
प्लीज
happening without interruption. So it's called to long take. These both are the very important in the camera movement, like and other is camera angle. So very first is close up and wide shot. So close up shot, to camera show a face or object very closely. So that is how we also find shows
Two
emotion
minute already
clearly, and helps the audience
क्या
feel
मैं
that the character is feeling what
मुझे
kind
खुद से
of
प्यार हो जाएगा।
feeling has in the characters, both the characters. It's also called to this shoulder shot, because the camera put on the shoulder, and this both the characters feeling. And um, here is a wide shot. The camera shows the whole person and a lot of the background, highlights the setting or makes a person look small, lonely, or free. So this is the wide shot, how wide angle work in the film. So we can easily find the close up shot and wide shot in many movies. And from these both movies we find the many of the scenes, camera angles is a close up and wide shot. Another is a lens type, so drone shoot, telephoto lens, and wide shot. So here is the drone shoot, or we can say wide angle lens also. So a lens what shows a large area, like this drone or helicopter shoot, we can say. Look at this beautiful environment or atmosphere, beautiful scenario in this Manali, and this purpose in the film is like makes places look bigger, show more background, good for landscape or crowded places. also. So this one, this, and then telephoto lens, a lens that zooms in from far away and make the background look closer or flatter. Here you can find this telephoto lens, how it's work in the film, and focuses on a person or moment, feels more personal or emotional, sometimes shows isolation. So you can find that this in this film, Gehraya, this Alicia was seated alone, and she felt like isolate or feel all alone. So this kind of short we can say telephoto lens. Then we have normal lens. So normal lens, like a lens that shows things like how our eyes see them, not too wide or to zoom in. Only we can find the conversation, right? Looks natural and real, often used in normal conversation or simple scene, like both this Alicia and her cousin talk together. And here we can
पूरी
also
जिंदगी
find
निकल
in
जाएगी ये
this
सब
movie
करने में
this Bunny or
बाकी
Naina,
सब कब करोगे
both
बाकी सब क्या
talking to each other.
22
So
पे पढ़ाई
these are the
25 पे
normal
नौकरी
scenes,
26 पे छोकरी
or normal lens we can say. We find so many normal lens in the movie. And yes, here I conclude my video. Thank you so much.